Ever since we published this video, why this 50mm 1.8 lens is considered to be one of the greatest lenses in the world. People have left us comments, sent us emails asking us what are the primary differences between the 35mm, 50mm and 85mm lenses. So, hello and welcome to GMAX Studios. My name is Gorky M, and in this video we are going to figure out what are the differences between these three lenses and which one should you buy. So we were in a bit of a quandary as to how to go about making this video, because if I said that a 35mm lens has a diagonal field of view of 64 degrees, it would possibly not make any sense to anybody. So we decided to stack these lenses and compare them when it comes to using them practically in the real world. The focal lengths of all the lenses that we refer to in this video are on a full frame. So you have to keep in mind that if you own a crop sensor body, the focal lengths will get multiplied by 1.5. And if what I just said made no sense to you whatsoever, I would recommend that you watch our 50mm and sensor sizes videos. The links to both of these are given in the description below. So coming to the 50mm lens, which is also called the normal lens because of the field of view resembles the normal human vision very, very closely. And this is the lens that we are shooting this video on right now, and the camera is about 6 feet away from me. So in order to get a mid shot, you need to be approximately at this distance. For instance, if we were to try and take a mid shot of this subject, we would need to be between 6 and 7 feet, and here we are at 7.1 feet away from the subject. And if we needed to get a full shot of the same subject, we would be about 17 to 18 feet. Here we are at 17.4 feet from the subject. Now let's talk about the 35mm lens, which is slightly wider than the 50mm lens. And as you might have realized that we are shooting this now with the 35mm lens. And the camera subject distance, that is the distance between me and the camera, is still the same. If we need to get the same magnification as it was in the previous shot, we would have to move the camera closer, like this. Now the camera is approximately 4.6 feet away from me, and we have tried to replicate the same image size as the 50mm lens. One thing to note is that you should keep an eye on how the background changes as you change the focal length. So coming back to the 35mm, when we shot our subject with it, to get a mid shot, we had to be at a distance of 5.4 feet away from him. And in order to get a full length shot, we had to be at about 12.2 feet away from him. So no prizes for guessing that this is now being shot on an 85mm lens, and the distance between me and the camera is 9.7 feet. Similarly, when we shot our subject, in order to take the mid shot, we had to move to 9.9 feet. And in order to get the full length shot, we had to go to a distance of 26.4 feet. So that is it as far as 35, 50 and 85mm lenses are concerned, and I hope that this video has helped dispel some doubts that you had about the three, and it helps you in making a decision if you are on the verge of buying one. Please do subscribe to our channel GMAX Studios, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.